Hi, my name is Jerry Peterson, and my company RightSight is in business to do basically two things for our customers. First, we would like to help them focus on getting new customers, and the second thing we do is help them make more money from the existing customers that they already have. So usually I start my interaction with a potential customer by talking about what they're currently doing in marketing, and a really good question is, in terms of their own personal experience, when was the last time you picked up a Yellow Pages and actually looked for information with it? Usually we find out that they're not doing that, so why would you expect your customers to be doing that? And yet a lot of these potential customers of mine have been using the Yellow Pages forever, continue to do it, and just aren't getting the results that they want to, but they stick with it because they don't have any other mechanism in place in order to advertise their company, and they know they need to advertise. So this is where my company comes in. We actually fulfill the marketing department niche for a lot of our clients, and we use primarily internet technologies, whether that be true websites, simply Google Places, mobile marketing, any of the currently available media strategies in order to get customers coming in the door to our businesses, our clients' businesses. So if you're having difficulty attracting customers or making more money from your existing customers, I would encourage you to call RightSight Inc., my company, Jerry Peterson, at 630-590-9521, and we'd be happy to help develop a strategy for you. Thanks, and have a great day.